Are you out on the market for a USB-C hub to do all of your needs? Well, today's video is just for you. We have Baseus 8-in-1 USB-C hub we're going to take a look at in today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting off, if you're new to the show, make sure to hit that subscribe button or follow where you're watching this episode at. Today's episode is brought to you by Baseus. We have their 8-in-1 USB Type-C hub. We're going to get it out of the box to let you guys know what we think. But also be sure to check out all their links that are in the description and let us know in the comments what you think about these products. But first thing is first, let's not waste any more time and get this bad boy out of the box. Alright, this is the Baseus 8-in-1 Gleam Metal Series. Let's get it out of the box, because that's what we're here to do at the unboxing table. First thing, we have the device itself. Then we, of course, got some paperwork. Our user manual. Then let's see what we have here. Some more paperwork. Looks like some stickers. We do have some stickers. That's pretty cool. And more paperwork, of course. Now the device itself. Oh wow, the metal feels really great. We have the 8-in-1 right here on the top. The logo branding right here on the bottom. Then we have our Ethernet port. An SD card reader, the TF card reader, HDMI, and a Type-C. Flip it over and we have our USB 3.0 ports. And of course, this bad boy plugs in with USB-C. This is going to be great. We got a little port right there. That's pretty cool. So this adapter can handle all of your needs. The Baseus USB-C 8-in-1 hub is wear resistant and has fast heat dissipation, meaning it will run a lot cooler than other competitor hubs, and giving you 4K output at 30 Hz with the HDMI output, meaning you can use this to mirror your screen onto a television at 4K or even extend it to another monitor if you're out of HDMI outputs. And with the bi-directional 5 gigabits per second data transmission, yeah, I mean that is pretty fast coming from an adapter, so 2 thumbs up there. It uses 3 USB-A 3.0 ports that will transfer files, photos, movies, whatever it needs at speeds up to 5 gigabytes per second, but will also be completely compatible with USB 2.0 products like your keyboard or a mouse, hard drives, and other things along that matter. And of course, no matter what device you're using this on, it is completely plug and play. No additional drivers are needed. It supports just about all USB-C devices and Thunderbolt, such as the MacBook Pro, the MacBook Air, iPad Pro, Chromebook, and supporting operating systems like Windows, Mac, Unix, Chromebook OS. And you can even use this with Android devices if it supports the USB-C output. Along with a most important need, and that is that LAN port. Yeah, we gotta have fast wired internet these days. Meaning you can get up to 1,000 megabytes per second with gigabit Ethernet connection. And of course it comes in real handy if you do not have memory card readers. Like, even making these videos, we use memory cards all the time. And with this device, I can easily just plug in my memory cards, whether it's a SD card or the TF card, and transfer all the videos, photos, whatever I have on these cards directly into my desktop, or just a device that only has a USB-C port on it. I typically use this USB-C hub on anything that I have a USB-C port on. It even has this cool little port you can put the USB-C plug in when it's not in use, making it extra small and compact and easy to just fit into a pocket and carry around with you. So if you're out on that market for the USB-C hub, this one is definitely one I would recommend you to check out, because myself, I have been absolutely loving it. So make sure you check out all the links and details in the description of this video. And I would also like to take this time to give Baseus a huge shout out for partnering up with us to give you this review. So if you found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button when you're seeing this video. Get in the comments, let us know what you think about this hub, as well as how you would use this hub with your devices. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and follow where you're seeing this video at. If you have that chance to turn on notifications, be sure to ring that bell to do so. That is going to wrap it up for today's episode. Thank you all so much for watching. Once again, my name is Brad, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next review.